guys, welcome to my channel. It's Teacher Isabella. Today I'm going to be showing y'all my very first ready to ship wig. And I'm so proud of myself, you guys. I was so scared to do it, but it turned out really cute. And I'm actually about to put it on. Because I'm order another one and do it again because I can't help it. I want to wear it so bad. It's so pretty. I did such a good job, guys. The pattern is so cute. The hair is so full. I got it in 250 density. Full. I just gotta wear it. It came in Bodywave, 30 inches. I gotta wear it. It's a natural color, but it got a little dark tint to it as well. But yeah, I just gotta wear it. I can't wait. I just ordered another one and I'll sell that one. But I can't help it. I can't pass. I can't pass. So I gotta wear it. It's a 5x5 closure wig. And I usually don't wear closure wigs, but this is gonna be so quick and easy to install. I just had to. Excuse my son, he's in my room. You know, this is my first wig, so just imagine. I do baby hair is good on my head. It just was kind of difficult to hold it down. But I seen a girl, she got under the blow dryer and let it sit so it could stay on the lace. So I'm gonna try that next time. But I'm finna put it on. Y'all gonna see how it look after. It's gonna look bomb. I already bleached the knots, plucked it, made it into a middle part, washed it. Already washed it, did all that. So let's get into the video. I'm gonna go ahead and put my foundation on the lace, because this is about to be a fast install. The fastest you ever seen. Because I gotta go to work now. I already sprayed the black on for the part on. I already sprayed it on. All right, I put my foundation on there. It's a transparent lace. I said next time I may do an HD lace. I love this. I love this 5x5, y'all. I wasn't really a fan of closure wigs till I just got that last 4x4 bob. I'm gonna put it right there. But when I got there, I was like, man, this is so easy and manageable. I ain't gotta worry about doing the other baby hairs and all that. I'm about to start doing this. And if I want a side part wig, I'm gonna get it in the side part. Like, this is so manageable. But yeah, this is the wig on. I'm gonna curl it again because it just been sitting on the mannequin, but it still got a good little wave to it. That's how I wanted it, big and pretty. Yeah, get into it. Y'all can go ahead and pre-order if you want to, baby. Because I did that. All right, let me get my bow hole.
Hello, guys. Hold on, make a no. Wow, stop.
Okay, I got my bow.
We're going to see us now on me.
I'm gonna do 2 layers. I'm not gonna do that many layers. I'm gonna let that dry while I go get dressed for work. I got the lace laid down now in the glue. I'm gonna use some Got to Be Glue freeze spray just to seal it one more time. I'm gonna hit it with the blow dryer and then I'm gonna wrap it down while I curl it. I can't find my elastic band, so I'm just gonna use a bandana and it's gonna do the job. I was in a rush, as you can see, so I already cut the lace off with my razor. Right here, you know, I'm putting the mousse on the edges so I can go ahead and lay them down. I was just all over the place today. I didn't have nothing in place. Like, I couldn't find my elastic band. I couldn't find my edge brush comb. I had to make it work with this comb, and it got the job done. I'm going to tie it down one more time with the bandana while I curl it. I needed to be done, so I did curl it fast, so it's not how it would come out if I took my time, but it still came out cute. I just had to go to work, so I had to hurry up. I didn't put that much product in the hair. I put BioSilk in it, you know, give it that shine, give it that gloss. I put some mousse in it, and I put some freeze spray, the Got to Be Glue freeze spray, to make the curls hold longer, but I didn't put that much product in the hair at all. I know I'm half-assing this curl. I know, y'all. I'm so sorry. But I really had to go to work. I needed to get y'all some content, so I had to record this. But I literally, like, after this video, ran out the house to go to work. So... And I did add some hairspray. This that Full Control by Fructus. It works good for me. Now I'm about to get this pressing comb and get it flat as possible. Like, I really didn't have nothing in place. I couldn't even find my wax stick, y'all. Like, I really had to do this. Like, I don't know what I used to lay it down. Maybe some mousse. But I did not have my wax stick. But here's the finished product. I told y'all it still was going to turn out cute even though I half-assed the curl. It still turned out really cute and wavy. And that part looking good. And baby hair is laid down. Like, I'm going to add a little foundation to the lace. Just, you know, so it blends. And the flyaways was going crazy. I just wish I had my wax stick because that would have got all of that down. But I got it together. At the moment, I don't have a specific launch date, but I will have the website ready by the end of the week because I will have 4 new wigs that I'm going to have ready to ship on there. I am going to have the pre-order, you know, the pre-order method. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'm sorry I've been slowing down. I've been working like crazy, but I'm back and I'm about to keep busting out this content. So, you know, keep watching. And if I could ask you to do one thing, that'll be subscribe to my channel. Have way more content coming. Thank you guys so much. Be blessed.